Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 13th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Organ Donation Day is celebrated every year on. Answer is 13th August. World Organ Donation Day is celebrated every year on 13th August to raise awareness about the importance of organ donation and motivate people to donate organs after death. The first ever successful living donor organ transplant was carried out in 1954 in the United States when Ronald Lee Herrick donated a kidney to his identical twin brother, Richard Lee Herrick. In India, National Organ Donation Day is observed on 27th November from 2010. Question number 2. What is India's rank in the 2024 Paris Olympics medal tally? Answer is 71st. The Paris Olympics was held from 26 July to 11 August 2024. India finished the Paris Olympics with 6 medals, 1 silver and 5 bronze medals. India was 71st with 6 medals. The United States led the medal tally at the Paris Olympics with 126 medals, followed by China with 91 medals, Japan with 45 medals, Australia with 53 medals and France with 64 medals. Question number 3. Who has been awarded with the Olympic Order at the 142nd IOC session in Paris? Answer is Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra has received the prestigious Olympic Order from the International Olympic Committee (IOC) on 10th August 2024. The award was presented at the 142nd IOC session in Paris and is the highest honor given by the IOC for extraordinary contributions to the Olympic movement. He became the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal at the 2008 Beijing Olympics in the men's 10-meter air rifle event. Question number 4. Which city will host the 34th Summer Olympics in 2028? Answer is Los Angeles. The 33rd Summer Olympics ended on 11th August 2024. The Olympic flag was handed over to the city of Los Angeles in USA, which will host the next 34th Summer Olympics in 2028. The Olympics Games are held every 4 years, starting with the 1896 Athens Olympics. Los Angeles will host its third Summer Olympics, having been hosted in 1932 and 1984. Question number 5. 10th edition of the Mitra Shakti exercise started between the India and which country? Answer is Sri Lanka. The 10th edition of the joint military exercise Mitra Shakti between the Indian and Sri Lankan armies started on 12 August 2024 at Maduroya in Sri Lanka's southern province. The exercise will conclude on 25 August and focuses on fostering cooperation and enhancing interoperability between the two nations' armed forces. 120 soldiers from the Indian Army's Rajputana Rifles was participated, joining an equal number of troops from Sri Lanka Army's Gajaba Regiment. Question number 6. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina Asoni scheme? Answer is Assam. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has launched the Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina Asoni, a monthly financial assistance scheme aimed at combating child marriage in Assam by 2026. Each eligible female students enrolled in class 11th and 12th will receive an incentive of 1,000 rupee per month. Graduation students will receive an incentive of 1,250 rupee per month. PG or Bachelor of Education degree students will receive an incentive of 2,500 rupee per month. Question number 7. Goritsa Grancharova Kojreva has been sworn in as caretaker Prime Minister of. Answer is Bulgaria. Goritsa Grancharova Kojreva has been sworn in as Bulgaria's caretaker Prime Minister, leaving her to oversee an interim government that has held power in the country since the resignation of former Prime Minister Nikolai Denkov in April 2024. She replaces Dimitar Glavchev, who was appointed on 9 April. Kojreva was appointed by Bulgaria's head of state, Rumen Radev, who added that he saw 20th October as a suitable date for holding another parliamentary election. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as Union Cabinet Secretary? Answer is T.V. Somnathan. Senior IS officer T.V. Somnathan has been appointed as the new Cabinet Secretary of India, succeeding Rajiv Gauba, whose term ends this month. Somnathan will begin his 2-year tenure on 30th August 2024. He will also serve as Officer on Special Duty, OSD, in the Cabinet Secretariat until he formally assumes the role of Cabinet Secretary. Question number 9. Who has been honored with the Pardo Allah Kara Award at the 77th Locarno Film Festival? Answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan was honored with the prestigious Pardo Allah Kara Award at the 77th Locarno Film Festival on 10th August. The Bollywood superstar was honored with this award for his contribution to Indian cinema, which consists of over 100 films in a breathtaking multitude of genres. Additionally, Khan's 2002 iconic film, Devdas, was showcased at the festival. Question number 10. The former CEO of which company, Susan Wojcicki, has passed away? Answer is YouTube. Susan Wojcicki, a pioneering figure in the tech industry and former CEO of YouTube, has passed away at the age of 56 on 9 August following a 2-year battle with cancer. Susan Diane Wojcicki was an American business executive who was the chief executive officer of YouTube from 2014 to 2023. Her net worth was estimated at $765 million in 2022. Question number 11. The Divyangjan Abhiyan Dal of which ministry has hoisted the tricolour on the highest peak of Africa? Answer is Defence Ministry. Divyangjan Abhiyan Dal, an expedition team from the Ministry of Defence, made history by hoisting the largest Indian flag atop Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa, at 19,341 feet. The team led by Group Captain Jai Kishan, including Uday Kumar and others, undertook Mission Kanchenjunga National Park to Mount Kilimanjaro to script another historic achievement. Question number 12. Recently released book titled 75 Great Revolutionaries of India was written by. Answer is Dr. Bhim Singh. Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh Narayan Singh attended the launch ceremony of Rajya Sabha MP Bhim Singh's latest book, titled 75 Great Revolutionaries of India, on 11th August. The book aims to inspire a developed India by recognizing historical sacrifices. Question number 13. The third edition of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is set for. Answer is 9 to 15th August. The government has announced the third edition of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, set to run from 9th August to 15th August 2024, to celebrate the Indian flag leading up to the 77th Independence Day. This initiative, launched in 2022 under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, encourages citizens to bring the Indian flag, or Tiranga, into their homes and display it proudly. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.